Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Today we will be solving worksheet number 5, that is the revision. Okay, so question number 1 is give two examples of each. Question number 2 is guess who am I. Okay, we are going to discuss. So here it is. Question number 1, give two examples of each they have given. Then the guess who am I. Then name the four things that we get from the plants. What do vultures and hyenas eat? And yes, last is look at these pictures and you have to name the five things that are made of milk. Let us discuss now. See here. Question number 1, give two examples of each. So we have learned about the types of the plants, children. I have taught you the trees. The big plants are called trees. Then I've taught you the creepers and the climbers. The plant whose stems creep on the ground like a snake, they are called creepers, like a pumpkin, and the watermelon beta, pumpkin, okay, the big vegetables beta. Then the climbers, which has a very weak stem and which take help of the wall. Then they climb on the pole. They take help of the stick beta. You must have seen the plants climbing up. That is a climber, children. And the tame animals, the animals that is we can trained and who can work for us. Most of the domestic animals have been trained, and out of that, one of the elephant you must have seen picking up the logs. Right, children? So, elephant and donkey. So, we'll start off. First, the creepers will begin. The example of creepers are pumpkin and watermelon. Children, please sit with your worksheet, but I'll wait for you for 1 second. Okay, are you ready now? Yes. So, two example of creepers you write. One you write pumpkin. Okay. Then you write watermelon. Spelling is given here. Number B, that is a plant eating animals, children. The DEE are deer, GOAT, goat. They eat plants, children. Then comes the tame animals. C is the tame animals, the animals which have been trained to work for us. Elephants has been tamed. They have been trained to work for us. It is used for the rides to carry the log from one place to another. Then donkeys you must have seen carrying the load, children. Okay. Then D, that is the two example of herbs beta. The very small plants are called herbs. The best example is a mint and the grass. You know, grass nowadays in rainy season, you must be seeing the grass growing everywhere. And the next is a mint. Mint means podina beta. And the next is the shrubs. For the shrubs, I many examples I have told you, and time and again I have repeated the examples like a rose, the tulsi, and your tea. They are all shrubs, beta. Their branches, अब आप notice करेंगे ना, they grow quite close to the ground, beta, from this soil. उनके branches नीचे से शुरू होते हैं. That is how you can identify. Okay, beta. Next comes the guess who am I? Question number 2. I hold the plant. This is the function of the part of the plant which I am reading now. Okay, what it is? Let me read. Yes, it is. I hold the plant and absorb the water and mineral from the soil. Which is that part? Yes, which is under the soil. That is called as roots. It's a mouth of the tree. If you remove the root, the plant will die, the tree will die. Okay, the plant absorbs the water and mineral from the soil. Next, I am the small hard plant, part of the plant, usually inside the fruit. मैं fruit के अंदर रहता हूँ. So, okay, and I'm hard also, from which a new plant comes out. आपने बीजा देखा होगा, seeds देखा होगा. Almost all the vegetable and the fruits, they have the seeds. Only banana doesn't have, beta, when it comes to fruit. एंड वेन यू सो द सीड इन द सॉइल, जब आप उसको सॉइल में डालोगे ना, मिट्टी में, अ न्यू स्मॉल बेबी प्लांट विल come up and that will grow into a big plant. If you want to grow a mango, you can grow a mango tree, in fact, from a mango seed, children. When I was small, I still remember, when you used to play, na, when we were small, and earlier we used to get the ground to play, beta. It was a colony. We had a very big ground over there. We used to play, and we used to sow the mango seed, and I have seen the tree growing a small plant growing into a big tree. Okay, so what is a seed? It is a hard part of a plant which is inside the fruit beta, and from which the new plant is given out, that is seed, seed. Next, I do not build the nest. मैं nest नहीं बनाता हूँ. I lay the eggs in the nest which is built by other birds. The other birds which build they make the nest na, in that it goes and gives the egg. And you know which is that bird? It's a cuckoo bird. Cuckoo. ठीक है? Okay. Next. 1 minute, children. Okay. Now we come to question answer. Yes, question number 3. Name 4 things that we get from the plant. Children, there are many things we get from the plant. If you want to change the other name, you can change it. But here we have written that we get vegetables. Okay, then comma, fruits, 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 comma, grain grains, and paper. And many things you get wood, wood, you get fruits, you get vegetables, then you get rubber, you get oil, so many things you get cotton. So many things we get from the plants and the trees. If you want, during the exam, you can write on your own any 4 things which you get from the plant. At least 4 things you should learn. COTTON, cotton you can learn. OIL, oil you can learn. From sunflower, we make the sunflower oil beta. From cotton, हमको cotton मिलता है. आपने रुई का झाड़ देखा होगा. From cotton, we make the cotton thread. From cotton thread, we make the shirt. है ना बेटा? So there are many things we get from the yes, from the beautiful fragrance flower we make the perfume also. We make medicine. The most important part I forgot. Yes, we make medicine from the plants. है ना? Okay. So please write down. We get vegetables, fruits, grains and paper. ठीक है? Now you know paper कहाँ से बनता है? You must have seen the bamboo tree. From the bamboo tree we make the paper. Okay. Question 4. What do the vultures and hyenas eat? I told you that almost the wild animals like lion, tiger, fox, jackal, panther, leopard, all these animals, they kill the other animals and they eat. But there are some animals who don't kill. After the lion and tiger have finished their food and they leave whatever remains over there, the dead remains of the body, that has been eaten up by the vultures and the hyenas, beta. So what do vultures and hyenas eat? Vultures and hyenas eat the flesh of dead animal. जो remain रह जाता है वहाँ पे, already dead होते हैं, उनका वो खाते हैं flesh. They eat the flesh of the dead animals. Animals which are dead. But ये जो lion tiger होते हैं ना, they want fresh. वो immediately they hunt, they kill and they eat. They don't eat the dead remain of the animals. Who? The lion and the panda. Who likes that? Vultures and hyenas. Okay, so please write vultures and hyenas eat the flesh of the dead animals. Now look at these pictures and name the 5 things that we make from the milk. The first picture is of, yes, you can make out better ice cream. So you have to write ice cream, ICE, ice, CREAM, cream. The next is, of course, is absolutely clear. It's a paneer. I know the children, you like paneer sabji and all. The next is a cheese. That the one piece has been cut. And that is cheese. CHEESE, cheese. And the last one is a ghee. The cow's milk. The ghee which is made from the cow's milk is much better from the buffalo this thing from the ghee which is made from the buffalo, because वो cholesterol को ज़्यादा it gives a cholesterol to the body. It's not good. The best part is that you should consume the cow's milk's ghee, not the buffalo's milk's ghee, beta. In olden days also, in Ayurveda also, it has been said that the cow's milk ghee is a amrit, they used to say. बहुत अच्छा होता है for the joints and for the small children, the yellow color ghee. Almost I think all the children, they like it. है ना बेटे? Okay, so these are the things which we make from the milk. We make curd also, CURD, curd, dahi bhi banta hai beta. And what do we make from the milk? Yes, rasgullas we make from the milk, from the cow's milk we make rasgulla, rasmalais. Then we make paneer, that is already there. From the sweet we make, see, I'm not getting that name. What is that? Rajbhog also is made from the milk. Yes. Then Shrikhand, you say, na, that is also made from the milk. Rasgullas, I told you. So there are many, many sweets which are made from the milk bitter. Okay. So thank you so much for the to the cows, isn't it? So please do complete the worksheet. That is the last one. That is the last question. So please see to it that you complete the worksheet better all. Question number 1, everything you please try to complete this. Okay, without fail. Yes, no more excuses. और जिस दिन का काम रहता है उसी दिन किया करो बेटा, बिकॉज यू ऑल आर गुड चिल्ड्रन, आई नो दैट. येस, एंड प्लीज़ राइट नीटली. और बोल बोल के लिखना सीखो बेटा. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज़ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन.